Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Will and March's channel. And in today's video, another dental bridge vlog. It's the ugly part of the dental bridge. So if you wanted to know more about what happened, stay tuned and I'll tell you what happened. So we were having lunch, me and my sister, yesterday, and I bit down on a fork. And this is what happened. I cracked one of my teeth right in the front, of course, because I don't know if you chomp or grind your teeth at night. I have to wear a night guard, and for some reason, because I have an underbite or some type of uneven jaw, I don't know, but I will chomp or like bite down on my teeth so quickly that I don't have any control of it. And that only happens at night when I'm falling asleep. But somehow yesterday, when I was having lunch, I was about to bite down on this piece of sausage. The fork just pretty much, and it is right there, and then my mouth just jerked and bite down so quickly. I bit down on the fork. And this is exactly what happened. And this is not the first time it happened to me, guys. You know, I'm so careful on eating. I don't bite on any hard food like crab legs or bite on a bone on my front tooth. I usually use the side tooth, but what can I do if I'm trying to bite down on a fork? I did not really mean to, so it really cracked it. Like look. So anyway, it happened on a Friday, and I have to schedule it with my dentist. I texted him on a Friday. They're closed on Friday, but luckily, you know, he understands what happened, and he did it on one of his tooth also. And he went straight to his office, grinded for like an hour and a half. So he totally understands what happened to me. So he's gonna pencil me in, and I will see you guys there. With this stupid fork. Oh, I hate it. Golly. Following my dreams, and hopefully it'll work. If not, you know, it's not the end of the world. So hi guys, I'm here at the dentist now, sitting at my chair. And I think you can see it better here. You can see the chip. I think Dr. Wang's gonna just do a quick fix, inexpensive way, because there's really no inexpensive way to fix it. So we will see. So as I was saying earlier, guys, this isn't the first time it happened. Since I grind my teeth at night and I took a quick bite, like it's completely an accident that my jaw just bite down real quick. And this is what I did to my tooth. Hi.
Howdy. So let's take a look.
It's not too happy. It's barely.
Thank
That
goodness
darn
it was
fork.
Yeah, that,
it was-
and it hurt my whole like upper mouth, like upper teeth.
I was
or
in
upper
shock
mouth.
too when I bit down. I chipped the corner. This tooth right here, I had to round it off. Right,
Yeah,
right
that's
here.
good.
Yeah, but it's, you can tell that's still short, but I just had to round it off a little bit because it was bothering me.
Mine, of course, is the very
yours
front.
is right in the middle. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take the whole thing out because
No.
yours is a pretty big chip.
Yeah.
so we'll just scrape it.
Yeah, yours is a big chip. Way bigger than mine. There's no fixing because it's on the edge, like right there. Like you bite into something, it's gonna break right off.
Yeah.
Okay. So I can only polish. I gotta start working on it and see
Yeah.
what kind of position that we can put you in. Can you give her a pair of glasses to wear, please? The first thing I'm gonna do is just kind of, you know, take out like the bigger part of the chip first. It has just a little curve down. I just kind of straightened it out a little bit to lessen the effect of that little tip. I'm just polishing right now.
Okay.
Now when you run your tongue up there, is it still sharp to your tongue? Seems alright?
Better.
Okay. And your lip is not cutting?
Not anymore.
Good? Okay. So I think that's probably about as much we should take without compromising with
Compromising
it
the
too short, you know?
Yeah.
Because like, I mean, yeah, you stare close, you'll see the movement, but you
That's
sit
fine.
back. Yeah, if you sit back like this, you know, like from a normal social distance, 2 feet, you know, it doesn't.
Yeah, the only person would know is my husband.
Yeah, you
Per
say,
se,
you're not
other-
perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No one would know.
Yeah.
Except for the people that will watch YouTube. I mean.
Yeah, I keep showing people my chip too big. What chip too big? I was like, it was really big. I chipped the whole corner, you know? Like, man, you're wrong. But then I polished for like 2 hours. I came in, I'm like,
2 hours.
yeah, I'm done. Oh, an hour and a half. I was ready to leave, and I came back and I polished some more. I was like, yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. Yeah. But
I know.
I was on the little fork, the small fork. I picked the corn up like this, and I bit into it, and I hear crunch. I'm like,
I know. Mine is that regular size fork, and all of a sudden it just went down like
yeah.
that quick. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh.
and you hear the crunch.
Anyway, my sister was like, what happened?
Yeah.
I think I'm broke my tooth.
Yeah.
At first I thought it was broken because it was like
Hard.
loud and hard.
Yeah.
And then I started touching it with my tongue. I'm like, oh no.
Look like this.
Oh yeah, I don't really, as long as all the sharpness and the
Yeah,
roughness
because
will
you feel with your
disappear.
tongue. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
live to fight another day. All right,
Thank
see you next time.
Hey, I'm jealous of you guys fishing, okay? I don't have the money yet. I need to sell properties. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Do your thing.
Look at my thing. All right, it's fixed. And thank you again for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like. I'll see you again later. Bye.